Assalamualaikum students. Today we will study chapter number 2, noun phrase and noun clause. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. Noun phrase means a group of words that does the work of a noun. Now look at the following sentences. The boy wants something. The boy wants to go home. In sentence 1, something is a noun. It is an object of the verb wants. In second sentence, group of words to go home, it is an object of the verb want, so it is a noun phrase because it does the work of a noun. Here are some more example of noun phrase. First one is early to bed is a good maxim. Early to bed is a noun phrase. We enjoy playing cricket. Playing cricket is a noun phrase. Did you enjoy reading this book? Reading this book is a noun phrase. To win a prize is my ambition. To win a prize is a noun phrase. He hopes to win the first prize. To win the first prize is the noun phrase. He loves to issue harsh order. Issue harsh order is a noun phrase. I tried to get the sum right. Get the sum right is a noun phrase. Standing outside in the cold icy wind did me no good. Standing outside in the cold icy wind is a noun phrase. Noun phrase means a group of words that does the work of a noun. Okay. Noun phrase can be used as a subject of the verb, as the object of the verb, as the complement of a verb, as the object of a preposition. Now look at the following sentences. The boy of our class were dancing. The boys of our class, noun phrase. Okay, and it is used as a subject here. Radha sang a Punjabi song. Punjabi song is a noun phrase. It is used as a object here. My father works in a big factory. A big factory, noun phrase. It is used as the object here. Ram seems a very gentle person. A very gentle person is a noun phrase and it is used as a complement here. A noun phrase can include a determiner, adjective, adverb or two infinitive. Look at the following phrases. First one is some work. Some is a determiner. Some important work. Important, adjective. Some very important work. Very, adverb. Some very important work to do. To do, infinitive. Some very important work to do urgently. Urgently, adverb. In each group of words are noun phrase because they does the work of a noun. It doesn't matter whether they include a determiner, adjective, adverb or two infinitive. A noun phrase can include a determiner, adjective, adverb, two infinitive as per the needs. Okay. The subject, object and complement of the verb is always a noun phrase. Now look at the sentences. We enjoy playing cricket. Playing cricket is a noun phrase and it is used as an object here. He loves to sing and dance. To sing and dance is a noun phrase. It is used as an object here. The birds flying in the sky look beautiful. The birds flying in the sky, noun phrase. It is used as an subject here. Roaming about in the rain made me ill. Roaming about in the rain is a noun phrase and it is used as a subject here. Dancing is good exercise. Good exercise is a noun phrase. It is used as a complement here. Vikram was a brave soldier. A brave soldier is a noun phrase and it is used as a complement here. Sleeping early is a good habit. Sleeping early, noun phrase. Good habit, noun phrase. Sleeping early is used as a subject and good habit is used as a complement. To win the first prize is my ambition. To win the first prize, noun phrase. It is used as a subject here. My ambition is also a noun phrase, but it is used as a complement here. So noun phrase can be used as object, subject, complement. Now comes a noun clause. A noun clause is a group of words which contain a subject and predicates of its own and does the work of a noun. Noun clause means a group of words that does the work of a noun, but it contains a subject and predicates of its own. Okay. Now look at the following sentences. First one is I expect to get a prize. Second is I expect that I shall get a prize. Third is that you have come pleases me. First is I expect to get a prize. To get a prize. What is it? It's a noun phrase or clause? It's a noun phrase because it does not contain a subject and predicate of its own. It does the work of a noun but it does not contain a subject and predicate. So it's a noun phrase. Second, I expect that I shall get a prize. That I shall get a prize is a noun clause. It does the work of a noun and it contains a subject I, and the remaining part shall get a prize is the predicate. So it is a noun clause. That you have come pleases me. That you have come is a noun clause because it contains a subject you and the remaining part is a predicate. So it's a noun clause. Okay. A noun clause usually work as a subject and object in a sentences. See, I fear that I shall fall ill. That I shall fall ill, noun clause. It is used as an object here. I hope that I shall get a prize. That I shall get a prize is a noun clause because it contains a subject and a predicate. Shall get a prize. I is a subject. Shall get a prize object. Okay. It is used as an object here. That you have spoiled the game annoyed me. That you have spoiled the game is a noun clause. It is used as a subject here. No one knows why she has come here. Why she has come here? Noun clause. It is used as an object here. That you should say this is very strange. That you should say this, it's a noun clause and it is used as a subject here. So noun clause means a group of words which does the work of a noun and which contain a subject and predicate of its own. Thank you.